Okay, there's lots going on at the other end of the promenade where the classic cars are. There's motorbikes, there's loads of trade stands as well, and down here we've got the entertainment. Already people have come all the way from Yorkshire to entertain you this afternoon here in Southport. So put your hands together for the one and only Autumn Gold.
On the ground, and I found out a long time ago what a woman can do to your soul. I heard she can take you anyway. You don't already know how to go. I get a peaceful, easy feeling. I know you don't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to be here in Southport. Our visas came through in time, so we managed to get over here.
When I think of all the times I tried so hard to leave her, she would turn to me and start to cry. She promises to be up to me and I believe her. After all this time I don't know why. She's the kind of girl that puts you down when friends are there, you feel a fool. When you say she's looking good, she acts as if it's understood. She's cool, what she told when she was young, that fame would...
I'm going to take my guitar off and we're going to sing a Rolling Stones song. Now, just because I've taken the guitar off doesn't mean I'm going to dance around like Mick Jagger. Sad to say. I know you'd love me to, but...
Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still I'm gonna miss you. Don't question why she needs to be so free. She'll tell you it's the only way to be. She just can't be trained to a life where nothing's gained and nothing's lost. Don't count the cost. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still I'm gonna miss.
I have to tell you that Anna and I have been married now for 35 years, and it doesn't seem like a decade too long.
Speak for yourself. Always remember you like a child. La 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 la. Baby, I love you. If you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but a lot of nice things turn bad. Beware. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. or to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wide world. Always remember